Okay, explain the game to me. What kind of a game are we playing?
We're playing see the cars.
See the color of the car?
Yeah.
What color do you have?
Yellow!
The kids team has yellow.
Oh, and I still need to explain the rules to you.
Okay, what color do the adults have?
Green.
Green. Okay, the kids have yellow and the adults have green. Okay, explain the rules.
The rules are cars and trucks count. It can't be riding.
Okay. Can the car be parked?
No.
It has to be moving?
No.
Okay. So find any yellow moving car.
Dog is on our team too.
So how many points is each car worth?
1.
One.
Okay, 1 point.
How many points do we have, Daddy?
I think it's 0.
Yeah, we get 0. How many points do you have?
3.
Woo! We need to catch up.
It's what? Adults 1, kids 5, and we're gonna win.
We just arrived close to Palmer Lake, and we're gonna go into another hike. It seems that it's going to rain a little bit. I'll show you over here.
And have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Hopefully the weather will hold up.
Yep.
Not sure about the weather from the start, but it seems like it's getting worse and worse. We're hearing lots of thunder, and I may have seen lightning, but I'm not sure 100%. So we're not sure if we're gonna make it to Palmer Lake. It may be a hike for some other time. We'll see.
I know that time does not stand still. Can see the world when it's spinning, spinning. Compensating for the moments that I spill. Wish I could fly like an airplane,
Wait for me.
Stop forsaking everything.
Okay, we're here.
Won't be breaking.
Palmer Lake.
Like we made it.
With a bow and arrow.
So I wait for my cue. So tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way. No.
Okay, we finally made it to Palmer Lake. Still thundering. We start counting the seconds after the lightning to see
How far the thunder is.
how far the thunder is. It's still about the same distance, so we are going to head back in a little bit.
Hopefully we'll make it before it starts pouring.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going back just in time. It started to rain already. So we still have like 2/3 of the way to go, all the way to the car.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe. Ninja!